What's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C, and I'm back with another video. So let's get straight into it.
Motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty.
I actually have not been posting no creator content. I actually have a little, but not too much. So today I'm actually gonna make a stack sweat for a customer. So we just gonna get right into it. Y'all gonna see my process, and we gotta get this sewing machine to work, or I'm about to be hand sewing. Do you hear me? Hand sewing. No, I don't want to do that. So, first thing first, we're gonna get the black set up because I'm doing him a black suit. So I'm gonna show y'all that. So I got my sewing machine set up right here. I've been having trouble with my sewing machine. So I'm gonna try to get my sewing machine together. But in the meantime, in between time, I need to get this black out for the first part. Hey y'all, so let me show y'all the before. I was in Walmart, y'all kept looking because I was trying to use a different brand. Because really the cheaper brands really be the thicker ones. Not only that, they be like the best. The cheaper stuff be the best. So these was like $9 at Walmart. Here we go. The pocket is what was needed, or I was gonna take them back. He said medium, so get two of the same sizes, two pairs of the same sizes. So I got two, medium. And then I got him a blank hoodie. And I'm gonna do my thing on that. If I have free will, I would cut this, make it look cropped, probably flip this. But he's gonna get a picture put on him. I'm gonna ask him if I can bedazzle it up. But that's what's happening there. So what you wanna do is cut the bottoms off. Cut the bottoms off of the second pair. You want to cut below this area so you have two separate ones, and then you're going to stack them. Flip it inside out, one pair inside out, and you sew it or you glue it. So you got these to stack on. These is extra. If you want to do something to that, put extra fabric on your pants, or just have some shorts. There you go. You got you some shorts. You can make it into a shirt, or you could just add extra fabric on your pants, which I want to do. So there go those. You still gotta cut this part off, or you could keep it, honestly. Your choice. Like, it's all about the look you want. I can't make you want a look. So then on these ones, you're gonna cut right here. So you're just going to cut it like. So you got them cut, look a little raggedy, but that's okay, because that's gonna get sewed. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I keep all scraps. I really wanna freestyle and put all this stuff on there, but we'll see. Onto the sewing machine, because it has not been working. Like, it's been getting jammed up. I don't know what I've been doing wrong. If you watching this and you can help it pimp out, help it pimp out, because like this is holding me back. Okay, y'all, so I believe I got my sewing machine working right. So this is the first one. I did it off camera because I knew. Oh my gosh, y'all. Your girl. Y'all, I'm so happy because like I've been feeling so held back because I wasn't working this right. Look, y'all. This is nice. So we gonna do the second one. I'm gonna show you how to do the second one, bitches. See, babies, my bad. We gonna do the second one. I'm so so fucking happy, y'all. Y'all don't understand. We gonna do the second one. I'm not even gonna lie. Like the other day, I did my sister some pants, y'all, but I glued them because my sewing machine wasn't working. Them bitches came apart, so we also gotta fix those. Oh, y'all, I did that. I did that junk. Like, y'all, this is the straightest stitch I ever done made. Oh my gosh, y'all. And guess what I've been doing wrong this whole time? Not feeding the back end to the knee. What the fuck, Robin? So, here's this. And let's flip it. Oh, can you, Bo? So, y'all, these are the tall pants that all y'all keep on. This is all stacked jeans. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to figure out how this little small boy got the 50s, but this is them. This is them. This is them. I guess, buddy. So what I'm gonna do, I have my white and I have my black paint on my pants that everybody been liking. They had, they had like pink stripes. It was pink pants with pink. So I'm asking him if he want me to put some gray, like black on there just to make it pop off or whatever. I don't know, I'm gonna ask him. And my sewing machine work now, so your girl can do a lot of shit. Here in this clip, I'm actually showing you the paint I am using, and I actually do have medium in it to make it way better and softer when putting it on clothes. And I'm just blending the black and the white, and I'm just gonna apply it. Alright, y'all, so I showed y'all the stacked sweats, but this dude is kind of small. And I ended up not being able to get the No Boundary brand. So I'm actually using the Walmart brand, which is okay, but I'm about to do him some extra stacks or he gonna be looking a fool on his birthday. Yeah, I can barely hear you. I'm about to cut this out because this is for the hoodie.